YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Nest temperature sensors, which goes with the Nest thermostat. As you see, I installed one here. I also installed one in my mother's house, which that video I'm dropping, and please watch it. It'll walk you through how to do it. I've encountered some difficulties. But the Nest temperature sensors goes with the thermostat, and it allows your thermostat to actually be smarter about what goes on in your house. That being said, once you put these sensors around, your house thermostat will know the actual individual temperatures in the rooms around your house. Most people who have thermostats, they think that the thermostat is telling them the temperature in their house, but usually the thermostat is telling you the temperature, the ambient temperature closest to the thermostat. So that means that you may think your house is, 78 degrees, but if you're in the basement or you're in another room, it may be 80 degrees, right? Or 90 degrees, depending on where you are, or it could be 60 degrees if it's in the basement. So the sensors give the thermostat more information to better control the temperature in your house, but also control the temperature in the room. So like say you're in a bedroom and you want that bedroom to be a certain temperature, it will produce cold air or hot air until the room reaches the temperature that the sensor says is the appropriate temperature. So today we're going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to do a setup. So this video might be a little bit longer only because I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to show you what's in the box, but I'm also going to show you how to set it up. So with that, let's get at it. All right, so today we're talking about the Nest temperature sensors, and this goes with the Nest thermostat, which I really love. It's connected by your internet app, the Nest app, through your Wi-Fi. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to set these up, and then you let me know what you think about these. So we're gonna unbox it. So I'm opening up the box. And like I said, Google is really, Google bought Nest, and so Google has done a really good job. Their packaging is very similar to the packaging that you find in Apple stuff, Apple products. You saw in my unboxing with the Dre Beats and things like that. Apple just does a really good job. So here are the instructions, which is very simple. It says basically open your Nest app, tap the icon on your gear, and then add the sensor. And then you have the sensors. There's 3 sensors in the box. Ooh, sorry. There's 3 sensors in the box. Just so you can see the size of the sensors, you see my hands. My hands are a little bit big, but I'll use a key for reference. So this is my car key. This is the sensor. So they're about a little bit smaller than a car key, but they're round. And then they have battery things on the inside. And then you basically have your 3 sensors. So what this is telling me to do, and they have a barcode on here that I'm going to scan with my app. And once I scan it with the app, then you will be able to see how that works. All right, so let's get to the part where we're scanning. All right, so it's telling me here's the instructions. So you can see the instructions, very simple setup. It's telling me to open, so I'm using my phone. I'm gonna open the Nest app. And I have 2 homes set up. I have my mom's home set up, and then I have my home set up. So I'm gonna scan for the Nest app. And then when the Nest app comes up, this is what it looks like. And so now it's searching because it's on my Wi-Fi. And then it's showing my home in Arlington, right? So it says Nest app, open the Nest app, tap the gear icon. The gear icon is the icon, in the top. I'm gonna fix that. The gear icon is the icon in the top, because right now, the reason I had to do that is because you couldn't really see it because it was focused on me. But the gear icon is the icon in the top here. So I'm gonna tap the gear icon, and then it's gonna say add product. So you can see in there where there's add product. So here at the bottom, we're gonna add product. And then it's telling me to scan for a barcode. So I'm scanning for the barcode. And then that easily it found my Nest thing. Let's see, it says it says meet your new Nest temperature sensor. Make sure you're comfortable in a room you care about. Use the temperature in a single room at all times or just part of the day. And then it says go next. So it gives you the instructions, next. And it says connecting. And now it added it. So this sensor is added, right? Now it's gonna walk me through it says, next we'll walk you through setting the temperature sensor in your home. So now I'm gonna pull out the battery tab. Battery tab, pull that out. So I pull the tab out, I go next, and then it says gonna find a good spot for the room. So I'm gonna go find a good spot for this. So this one I'm gonna put in my bedroom. And I'm gonna put it away from, I'm gonna put it closest to me because I want, on my little table here, because I want it to be able to tell the temperature in that room near when I'm sleeping, right? So, sorry about that. So I found a good spot for it. That's what it's telling me. Then I go next. It says bring your temperature now. Tap next to check the connection. And it's registering my sensor. There you go. It's connected to the thing. So now I go next. And it's gonna ask me where did I put it? And I'm gonna put bedroom. It tells me how do I wanna put it, on the wall or on the table. I put it on the table. And that's it, done. Now I can add the rest of the sensors. So it says add another product, I'm gonna add another product. But that's pretty much it for that. So I'm not gonna do the rest of them just because I think it's just redundant. But one last thing, once the sensor is set up, as you can see from the photo, it shows you now, it'll display the temperatures in each room as well as the temperature around your thermostat. And my thermostat sat in the hallway, so the sensor is detecting what the temperature is in this hallway. So you can see the temperature in my house and in the various rooms. And there's a slight difference. And so if I adjust the temperature to try to get the office or the kids' room or my room colder, it'll do that. So the temperatures will change based on that once it gets to that temperature. So that's it. I'm hoping that this is going to help enable my Nest remote to be smarter and to allow me to have a more energy efficient home. I'm gonna give a shout out to the folks from Virginia Tech. The students from Virginia Tech have this thing called Future House. It's been traveling around the country right now. It's in Arlington, or in Alexandria, I should say, Alexandria, Virginia. But it just shows that what a smart connected home can do for you. So I would say when you have the opportunity and if you can afford to do it, you should definitely try to make your home smarter. I know people are afraid of kind of privacy issues and things like that, but listen, if you live in the world today and you live in a westernized country, you probably don't realize the kind of information that's out there about you already. So just connecting your smart home, I think, is not that big of a deal. So with that, this is your boy GB Reviews. Please let me know what you think about the Nest thermostat and also about the Nest sensors. If you found that you've had good luck with them, let me know. But that's it. It's your boy GB Reviews. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.